today we're looking at the long A sound, looking at the split digraph A, as in my name is Kane. Have you wondered how to spell words using the long A sound? Well, today we're going to find out how you use the long A sound, the split vowel digraph. Hello again, my name's Margaret. Welcome to my channel, Learn English with me. Let's have a look at the long A sound. A. Now it's called a split digraph vowel sound because there's an A with a split and then the E. And it's a vowel digraph, split digraph, because there's a consonant that comes in the middle. Here's my first picture. Cake. So to pronounce that, k, cake. Here's the next one. Tape. T-A-P. Tape. So if you can say in these words, you've got the A and you've got the E and you've got the consonant in the middle. And the consonant is the final sound even though E is at the end. So cake, tape. Here's the next one. Lake. L-A-K. Lake. Next one. Wave. W-A-V. Wave. Next one. Cape. K-A-P. Cape. Which pictures match? Which pictures match? Here we've got the ache sound. Ache. Which picture matches that sound? Ache. Map. Lake. Tape. Which picture matches that sound? Ache. 1, 2, or 3? Lake matches that sound. Ache. Let's look at the next one. Ape. Ape. Now that's a word by itself. Ape. Which picture matches that sound? Ape. Is it the lake, a cap, or tape? We're looking at ape, lake, cap, or tape. It is tape. Let's have a look at the next one. Which pictures match? Ave. Ave. Which pictures match this sound? Ave. Is it cave, top, rake? Cave. It is cave. Which pictures match? We're looking at ache this time. Ache. Which pictures match? Is it cape, ham, or cake? cake. Which pictures match the ache sound? It is the cake. Well done. Let's read some sentences. I'll read it, then you can copy, and then let's see if you can read it by yourself. It's a picture. The cape is on the bed. The cape is on the bed. The tape is on the bed. The tape is on the bed. Can you see which sentence matches the picture? Is it sentence 1 or sentence 2? Which sentence matches the picture? The cape is on the bed, because that there is a cape and it's on the bed. Let's have another one. There's your picture. Let's read the sentences. There are no waves on the cake. There are no waves on the cake. There are no waves on the lake. You read those sentences. Which one matches the picture? Which sentence matches the picture? Is it sentence 1 or sentence 2? What do you think? It is sentence 2. There are no waves on the lake. So I've highlighted that waves because it's an A sound, and there's also the lake because that is the lake and there are no waves on the lake. Here's the next one. It's a nice picture. Here's your sentences. The fox is in the cave. The fox is in the cave. Sentence 2. The fox is in the wave. The fox is in the wave. Which sentence matches that picture? Sentence 1 or sentence 2? Read the sentences. Which one matches the picture? The fox is in the cave. Well done if you got that right. Let's finish with a story. Sam went to the cave. There he is. Sam went to the cave. He saw a big wave. He saw a big wave. He put on his cape and ran. You see he's got a cape on. He put on his cape and ran. The wave was fun. The wave was fun. Back at home, then he made a cake. So he's now back at home. Then he made a cake. He said, "Yum, I like to bake." He said, "Yum, I like to bake." Spelling time. What is the missing letter in each word? K. What is the missing letter in those words? It's only one missing letter, the same in every word. And it's what we've been learning in this video. It is the answers: cave, wave, tape, cape, bake and cake. So the letter A is missing. That's easy. All of them needed the A. That's easy. Now it's your turn. You spell the word. What is this? I've jumbled up the letters. How do you spell that word? What is it? We've looked at this in our pictures and in our story. What is this picture of? Give you a clue. It begins with the K sound. Have you got it yet? Okay, let's look at the next picture. There's the jumbled up letters. We've done this in our story. It was when the boy was at home. He liked to do this. Give you a clue. It begins with a B sound. Write it down. So that's 2 words you should have. Here's the next one. What is that? That was in our Match the Picture activity. What do you think it is? Here's your letters. And it begins with the T sound. If you've got it, write it down. Can you spell those words? Here's your answers. Cave, bake, tape. Did you get them right? What amazing viewers you are. You're great spelling bees. Don't forget, if you enjoyed this video, this phonics video using the split vowel A digraph, please give it a like. And then if you want more lessons like this, subscribe, because next time I'll be doing different A sounds using AY and AI to help you with your spelling. Have fun out there wherever you are, and I look forward to seeing you soon. Bye bye.